What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Overwatch small handlebar bag. This bag offers 100 cubic inches of space, which is the perfect amount for your phone, wallet and house keys. The interior is lined with the classic Harley-Davidson orange and the black PVC-backed water-resistant nylon, as well as water-resistant zippers protect your gear against moisture. Installation is super easy and should only take a few minutes. First, prepare the area by cutting pieces of anti-abrasion tape and apply it to the headlight bracket and housing. Next, attach at least 4 hook and loop straps to the back of the bag. Then, secure the hook and loop straps on the bag to the handlebar and risers and tighten them down. Don't tighten too much to where it pinches wires or cables. Last, trim the excess off the hook and loop straps once finished. Make sure the bag doesn't block any lighting, gauges, warning lights, reflectors or turn signals. Also double check that the handlebars have a full range of motion without being hindered by the bag or straps. Other than that, just recheck the bag's mounting straps to make sure it remains firmly in place. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.